Welcome to King's Engineering. Today we are going to see how to set up Ubuntu system in our local system. But first one question is in mind. Why we need Ubuntu system in local system? We can use AWS instances. Yeah, we can use AWS instances there. We can create EC2 instant and use. But sometimes we need to practice things locally. It's not mandatory for doing some practices like Git, Jenkins. That thing you can do in your local system. But as we know, we are using Windows operating system. We need to run commands. We need to practice the commands. That's why we need a Ubuntu system. And for that, we are going to install Ubuntu system in our Windows operating system. So let's start installation. First of all, you have to open your control panel. So just search control panel. Once you open your control panel, search for the program and features. This thing, program and features. Open that and then you will get one option, turn Windows features on or off. Just click. After clicking, it will take some time, might be it's depending on your processing power. Once you get this window, scroll down to the bottom, you will get option that's a Windows subsystem for Linux. You have to click it, okay, and just click OK. After clicking OK, the system want to restart, okay. You can restart now or you can hold it for the installation. Okay, I'm going to hold it installation. You can restart. I suggest you to wait for the installation. Once Ubuntu system is installed, you can do that thing later. Just don't restart and you want to install Ubuntu. Now if you go through the Ubuntu links means official website. There you have many options to install Ubuntu. You have to download Ubuntu and everything is there, but that's a bit expensive in terms of data. There are heavy softwares around 2 GB or 3 GB required for to download. Okay, and there is one more thing. Ubuntu, some versions are paid versions, not completely free versions. So that's why I'm not referring to install Ubuntu through their official website. Then what we can do? Just simple thing you have to do, that's open Microsoft Store. Every Windows system having this software Microsoft Store. You might be need to log in. Just log in one time with your Microsoft Azure account. Only Microsoft account is enough. Then once you logged in, search Ubuntu. Okay. um, Now system is looking for the Ubuntu. Yes, we will get all Ubuntu version. Okay, this one we want to use. All the versions are free. We'll see which one is suitable. Okay, first we'll open. Is it getting free or yes, it is completely free, so we can click on install. Once you click install, software get automatically download and it will get installed. Now Ubuntu we have installed, we need to use Ubuntu. So might be this is my second time when I downloaded Ubuntu system. Okay, so might be the chance I'm not getting the pop-up for setup password and username. If I get setup password and username, that's good, I can show you the things clearly. But if I didn't get anything, I want to tell you one thing. After getting a password and add password and username field, you have to put your password, okay, and sorry, you have to put your username and you have to put your own password. That's it. Nothing is required like going to the portal, login and doing that things. That is not mandatory things. Just put whatever you want password and just put whatever want your username. Thing is that you have to remember the username and password. So once installation is done, I'll be back. So Ubuntu installation is done. Just clicking on open, or either you can search Ubuntu here as well, you will get the icon. So I'm clicking on Ubuntu to open. One terminal portal is open. All you know how Ubuntu is working. Okay, he's giving some error. So error is giving that set. I already told you that you have to restart your system at once when you turn on the Windows features. Okay, so I'll close this Windows and get back to recording. I will stop this recording again. When I restart my system, I'll get back and start my recording, so you will get a continuous process. Even if we get any error in the whole process, we'll try to resolve and set up Ubuntu today. So that's it. We'll meet in next cut. Okay, I have restarted my system and getting this kind of window. Installing this may take a few minutes, so we'll wait. Yeah, now it is asking for the username, so I'm giving username as Ubuntu admin. Okay, only admin it might not take, so keep a bit complex username. Okay, just enter, then he will ask for the password. We'll wait for the password. Then I have entered password. Password will not getting displayed here. Even you press a key, it will print it, but it will take by system but not printed here. So make sure whenever you enter a password, it is taking but it not getting displayed. So enter, yeah, password is set. Now installation is successful, and you can see we are under a Ubuntu system. That means after restart our system, there is a no problem. Even you get any problem, make sure you have installed every Ubuntu system in your system. And even that's giving a problem, you have some commands like you can refer this page. You have to unregister your Ubuntu system. That's why you have to run this command. You will get the name of Ubuntu system. You can unregister and you can install your new Ubuntu system. Now you can do any command here. Ubuntu system command will automatically get like if you want to create any file, you can use touch abc file, enter, do ls, you can see the abc file is there. So you can use any command, Ubuntu related commands. That means command which is related to the your EC2 instant Linux instance that you can run here. So you can make practice better way. You can avoid unnecessary bills on your AWS account. So that's it for today's video. Hope you understood, hope you think configured and ready for the next topic. Let's meet in next video.